What's going on, everybody? My name is Mr. Leong, and welcome back to another episode of the Startup Starter Kit. Thanks for tuning into the episodes. I've got a brand new video coming out right now, and we are going to learn about the unique selling proposition and why it's so important for your business to find ways to stand out. One of the things that you're going to realize when you start your business is that there's going to be a lot of other competitors. In a crowded marketplace, you have to find ways to differentiate yourself and you have to find ways to stand out. So that's what the USP, unique selling proposition, stands for. So let's get started with today's video. Now, if you haven't done so already, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you can hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video to YouTube. Thank you for tuning into the videos. It's been quite an educational journey, and I've also learned myself about video editing, and I feel like I've gotten better in creating PowerPoints and slides. So this has been a very fun journey for me. So unique selling proposition. When you are starting a business, it's important to figure out who your competitors are, what the market is like, do some market research, and figure out where your business is positioned. It's really important that you create a unique brand identity so that you stand out from the competition. And that's what the USP is all about. So what exactly does USP mean? It's a unique selling proposition, and it's what makes your business better than your competitors. Why should they go to you? There's only a few industries where there's only one business in operation. So chances are there's a lot of options for consumers to pick and choose. So it's important that you find ways to stand out from the competition by creating an effective brand and finding something that separates you in the marketplace. So here are some of the USP fundamentals. In order to achieve success, businesses need to stand out, and you can do branding and find out what makes you unique at every stage of your production. For example, you have a bakery and there's probably tens of hundreds of other different bakeries within your city. So you might want to find something that makes you stand out, whether it's a great customer service, a friendly smile, the secret recipes, the quality of the ingredients, or maybe even a good location. By identifying your strengths and really tapping into what makes you a very unique business, then this can help to build a lot of customer loyalty and repeat business. So you're probably watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, sounds like a great idea, but how do I create a unique selling proposition? Do I try to copy my competitors? What's the exact strategy? And to be honest, I can't really tell you what your USP is because one, I don't know your company and I don't know what you're well known or what your strengths are. So it's important to think about your competition, where you sort of fit in, and think through the customer's lens. So I'm going to give you an example. So right above me, I have pizza, and there's plenty of places to get pizza probably where you live. You have the big chains like Domino's and Pizza Hut, and then you have some smaller local restaurants. And every one of these single pizza places have a USP. So for example, Domino's has really good fast delivery. They have a lot of good bundles. And another restaurant or place that I can get pizza in my city is called Fresh Slice, and they are very well known for having some really good bargains on pizza, like $1 or $2 slice pizza, and you can buy a medium or a large pizza with unlimited toppings. So a USP has to be relevant to your strengths, and it has to be something that customers want. So in the pizza game, you could focus on taste, value in terms of being able to have a lot of bundles. You could focus on unique ingredients. Maybe you sell vegan pizza. So you have to think through your customer's lens. What are some of the qualities that they value in a good pizza? Maybe they like delivery, or maybe they like some other qualifiers of a good pizza place. So you have to think about your customer lens, think about what they value, and also create a good brand presence. Is this what you want your company to be known for? So that's how you have to think about creating a unique selling proposition. Branding helps us to really differentiate our company from our competitors. Now, with branding, we want to be well known for one thing. Now, one of my core business fundamental beliefs is that a business should focus on one thing, one or two things, and do it very well. So, if you go to a restaurant and you serve like 5 or 7 different types of cuisine, I know that I'm not getting truly authentic or a high quality product. So I want to go to a place that's well known for doing one thing. So whether it's you go to a marketing agency and you do social media very well, or you go to an accounting firm and you specialize in bookkeeping or accounting. So you want to focus on a few core business products or services and then do those really well. That way you can be well known for that thing and it can be really beneficial for your branding. So this diagram helps us to understand the USP. So we have to think about what customers want, what we do well, but also take into account what our competitors do well. So if we do something well and the competitors do it well, but our customers don't want it, then it's not going to be good business. If what customers want is what your competitors do well, and you don't necessarily have the facilities or the capabilities to do those businesses, then you shouldn't enter those markets. So a true USP understands that you want to focus on things that customers want, things that they value. Think about in relation to yourself if you have the facilities to satisfy those needs and wants, and then create a business to tap into that market. Let's look at some real life examples where I find a USP is really unique. So this is a burger chain in Canada and it's called Harvey's. Now Harvey's has a slogan, Harvey's make your hamburger is a beautiful thing. They used to have that one, but their whole business concept is that you can make a burger and then you get to customize your toppings. Pick your sauces, pick your vegetables, and normally it's like a Subway, you can pick a submarine sandwich, but this is a burger concept, but pick your own ingredients. Their unique selling proposition is grilled burgers and other sandwiches, but you provide customers with a choice of options and toppings for their burger. So Harvey's makes your hamburger a beautiful thing, and they ran some commercials where they had individuals make a burger with their own name on it, and it was a unique burger. So they get to pick their own toppings, whether you want pickles or lettuce or tomatoes. So this is a great way to separate yourselves from the competition because not too many businesses have the capabilities to match Harvey's and having the service to pick out the lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and then customizing a burger like that right in front of them. Same with Ikea. Ikea is a very unique furniture store, very popular, and its unique selling proposition is that it's low cost, affordable, high quality, and the key is that everything is already boxed, packaged, and the customers go to pick it up themselves. And it's easy to transport, very economical, and they have a lot of varieties such as furniture, lamps, desks, they have shelves, closets. They have a lot of variety of products and everything is ready to grab and go. So it makes it very convenient and very accessible for the customers to go in and shop there. So a unique USP does a few things. It plays to your strengths as a business, focuses on what you're good at, allows you to understand your customers' behaviors, motives, and actions by getting you to think about the business through their lens, reflects how your customers see you, and you build and foster thoughtful relationships with your customers. Very important that you don't try to blend in with your competition, copy what they do, or try to do everything as a business. Focus on a few things, be really good at those things, and try to stand out from your competition. So remember, don't really try to compete on cost because large retailers and businesses are set up with supply chains. So this makes it really hard to try to lower and undercut them because they can make some profit, whereas it might be more challenging for you. So here are some suggestions. Try being better than the competition by focusing on a high quality parts or ingredients. focus on great customer service. Try being you, try being unique. You could be responsive, more so than the larger businesses, or you can try to start a business in a market with very little competition. But the key here is to stand out and try to focus on a few things that are going to make you the business for customers to go back to. Whether it's great customer service with a friendly smile, or just being responsive and getting back to their queries in a very timely manner, more so than a large business. So that is a USP. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And before you leave, don't forget to drop a like, and you can comment down below, and you can share this video out if you learned something new or if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Okay, bye-bye.